Hello, everyone. As a proud participant in this prestigious event, we are Team Tech Tribe ID 110823 presents a cutting edge software solution under problem statement ID 25250, aimed at boosting productivity in government offices operating under the e office platform. Our project focuses on transforming the traditional workflow within government offices into a smarter, faster, and more efficient digital ecosystem aligned with the vision of Digital India and paperless governance. Through intelligent automation, streamlined communication, and performance analytics, our solution aspires to enhance employee efficiency, reduce delays, and improve overall transparency in administrative processes. Problem statement state the core issue. Government offices face low productivity at organizational, team, and individual levels due to lack of digital tools for goals, benchmarks, tracking, and productivity calculations. Clarify requirement, build a module within eOffice to set objectives, define success parameters, track progress, and compute productivity across all three levels. Most solutions provide a dynamic goal setting system with clear benchmarks and real time progress tracking to ensure transparency and accountability. Align objectives with public service priorities to bridge managerial gaps and improve engagement and cross-team synergy. Embed analytics with automated dashboards for data driven decisions and continuous feedback loops. Integrate secure, scalable, user centric tools that accelerate digital transformation and measurable outcomes. Build an OKR module inside eOffice to unify organization, team, and individual productivity. Technical approach implement OKR framework for clear, measurable, aligned goals across all levels. Use role-based access and integrate with eOffice modules like eFile, KMS, and Sparrow for seamless workflows. Create configurable benchmarking engines with quantitative KPIs and qualitative metrics per government standards. Use cloud-based storage processing for scale, availability, auditability, and compliance. Provide real-time dashboards with visualization and AI insights to calculate productivity dynamically. Adopt CI/CD to speed releases and maintain software quality. Visibility. Microservice cloud native architecture for scalability, fault isolation, and incremental deployment compatible with eOffice. Interoperability, RESTful APIs with authorization to SAML for secure exchange with eFile, KMS, and HR systems. For viability, strong stakeholder fit for governance, accountability, and performance priorities. Tangible savings via automation and faster decisions. Intangible gains in engagement and transparency. Impacted benefits enhance productivity through goal cascading, benchmarking, and progress tracking for measurable efficiency. Data driven decisions via real time analytics and actionable dashboards to spot bottlenecks and intervene quickly. Increased accountability with transparent KPIs and automated metrics driving continuous improvement. Better employee engagement by aligning individual OKRs with institutional priorities for clarity and motivation. Operational efficiency from automated reporting and routine workflows, reducing overhead and turnaround time. Recent references summarize that supporting research underpins OKRs, e-office integration, benchmarking standards, security, and analytics decisions provide or point to the listed references as per the slide content when presenting live or in video description. This is our prototype. Upon accessing the prototype, users are greeted with a login screen. The interface typically includes username field, password field, login button, forgot password link. After successful login, users are directed to the main dashboard. So over here, we have to add our employee ID, our full name, our email, and the designation over here. And we can select the department and the role type. And the most important part, the joining date. And after that, we have to tap on the complete setup button. And that's how we can create our profile. Over here, there is a productivity dashboard, and we can see our productivity as an individual, as our team member, or as an organization. We can see our performance in the form of flowcharts, graphs, pie charts, and we also have a separate block for organization top performers. We also have our department overview like the information technology and administrations and many more. Now we can also see our performance. This is the interface of the individual level. We can see our performance as an individual. Over here, there's an overall scores, our task completed, and our current streaks, with also the batches earned. And we can also see here it is in continuous score progression and the multi-dimensional performance. We can also see our tasks over here. On a create task, and boom, our task is created. Over here, we can see the pending status of the task, that it is pending or in progress or completed or delayed. We can also see our achievements. As of now, we don't have any achievements, so this is the interface of our team projects. We have a hold on project. We can also add the details, and our project is completed with the team. The integrated calendar helps users to schedule events like add meetings, deadlines, and reminders. Also, we have view availability to check the team members' availability for scheduling and sync with external calendars. Management module allow users to upload documents, organize files, also view and edit it. We also have a separate interface for performance reviews. Over here, we can see our review or to review. We also have a team directory page that is shown here, Harsh Pandey is the senior manager, and many more. And over here, we can also search them by their names or by their departments and the roles they are assigned to. For data driven insights, the application offers generative reports, that is, create detailed reports on tasks, documents, and user activities. Also, we have View Analytics, analyze trends and performance metrics. Here, we have a option for export data, and we can also see that we have a department performance space and a task distribution state, and we also have a most importantly generate insights, where we can generate our insights and analyze it. The KPI management module is designed to provide real-time insights into individual and team performance, enabling organizations to monitor and enhance productivity effectively. The key features are we have a real-time performance tracking and comprehensive dashboards with customizable metrics. We can also create a new KPI with the benefits of enhanced transparency, data driven decisions, and continuous improvement. And at last, we have an option for audit logs to track user activities for compliance and monitoring.